generation Swasthya Polyclinic started in Masjid Road, Bangarapet. All our Swasthya Polyclinic patients come there. The consultation that will be given are general ailments like fever, body pain, management of hypertension, and special care will be given for diabetics patients. They are specialized in diabetics food and diabetics wound management. They work all the 7 days a week from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. and evenings 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Kindly visit Swasthya Polyclinic for your health related problems. Your health, their priority. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.
ನಿರ್ಮಯ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ವೀಕ್ಷಿಸಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.